Get ready to burn. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. So today we've got a sneak peek workout from Inside Total Body Transformation. This is slow burn. Woo! So for this workout, Inside Total Body Transformation, it's a 30-minute workout and we use no equipment. And let me tell you, this is what I call a tribe favorite. All the ladies inside of Total Body Transformation absolutely love slow burn because it burns. So if you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put up brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. So if you haven't already, do make sure to subscribe to my channel, and for everyone, click on the bell icon so you always know when I've got a brand new video that goes live. So you don't need any equipment, you don't have any excuses, so why are we still talking? Let's do this. Come into a first position. So your feet are just basically in a little V here. We're gonna go into a plie and straighten. Really squeeze the inner thigh, squeeze your booty. And 5, good. 6, if you wear heels a lot, all these plies, really good to stretch your calves out. Good, and excellent. Now we're gonna go into releve. And releve, belly's in, shoulders are down. And lift, good. And 5, really feel that. We call it like a zip up with your inner thighs. So the inner thighs are really working together here. Good, let's do 2 more. Excellent. Okay, good. So now stay up here. Bring your heels together. The arms can come down out to your side. You're gonna bend your knees, and I really glued my heels together here. Do a little pulse here, you're gonna hate me. And 3, and 5, 7, shaky shake. Good, do that again, and pulse. Woo, 3, 5, 7, 9, keep going. 3, ooh, 5, your body might wanna like fall off balance, it's okay. Use your core. And 4, 3, 5, 7, good. 1 more set, down. 2, 3, oh yes, 4, feel the shake, feel the sweat. 7, 8, 9, okay, good. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go into a front attitude and just bring it back to that first position. So it's like we're swinging it up, lowering it down. 4, that's it. 5, and 6, keep on going here, abs are strong. 7, and 8, and 9, good. 5 more like this. 5, and 4, good. 3, your arms are gonna start feeling it from just holding them here. Last one, now stay here. Extend the leg, bend it in. Extend the leg, bring it in. You could flex your foot here, whatever feels good. 4, doesn't matter to me. 5, and 6, good. 7, shoulders down. 8, good. Keep going, woo. And 10, 5 more here. 5, and 4, don't quit on me. And 2, last one, and excellent. Let's do that on the other side, okay? So we go attitude, really lift it. That's it, chest up. 3, and 4, good, keep on going. 5, 7, and 8, good. 9, 10, good. 5 more here. 5, and 4, 3, and 2, last one, and hold it here. Extend it, bring it in. Extend it, bring it in. 3, and 4. We're really working our core here too. That's keeping you so that you're not falling off on your balance, right? And 8, good. 9, we're not done. 5 more. 5, abs are tight. 4, good. 3, and 2, woohoo, and 1. Okay, good. So now we're gonna go into a little parallel position, go into a squat, let your booty go out like you're sitting into a chair, squeeze your glutes, almost think of tucking your butt under as you come up, okay? Down, squeeze it, and down. Hear my voice shake because I'm squeezing those muscles. And 4, squeeze. Remember, this workout today, it's not about speed. It's keeping it slow. It's a slow burn. And 7, good. I'm sweating. 8, and squeeze, good. 9, and 10. We're not off the hook. Another set. Down, squeeze. 2, and squeeze. Very good. 3, and 4. That's it. Good. Keep going here. 5, squeeze it. Feel that work. 6, pull it up and in. Good. 7, 8, good. 2 more here. 9, and last one. So you did amazing, and I told you you were gonna burn. I wasn't lying, right? You felt that burn. Now just imagine how you're gonna feel when you do the full length version of this inside of Total Body Transformation. Trust me, girlfriend, it is a killer. So I've got a really special opportunity for you to join us inside Total Body Transformation and save. So click on the link down below this video in the description box and you'll get all the details. And I just can't wait to welcome you into the tribe. It's the place to be. You'll get a brand new monthly done for you workout calendar. You're gonna get access to all my best full length workouts. You're gonna get live workouts every single month and just so much more. So I will see you inside the tribe. All right, that's what I've got for you. You are amazing and I'll see you next time. Bye.